Sarura Kids.
Hi friends. Muri shamwari. Muri boy here shamwari dzedu.
It's so nice to have you guys here again today. Thank you for joining us again on
Sarura Kids.
Today we're going to have fun.
What is that, Quasi?
Hongu Quasi. Tirukuitei.
Well guys, today we're going to learn to start and stop.
Woohoo! I can't wait! But, friends, let's start by learning how to say stop and start in Shona.
Yes. Friends, can you say tanga? Well done! Tanga means start in Shona.
Yes, it does, Quasi. And can you say mira? Well done, friends. Mira means stop.
And now that we know how to say start and stop in Shona, we are going off for a walk. Let's find some things that are starting and stopping.
Tanga, 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 tanga. Mira, mira, mira. Tanga, tanga, tanga. Mira, mira, mira. Tanga, 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 tanga. Mira, 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 mira.
Makwikwi emabhasikoro ava kutanga. Motokari yava kumira. Chitima chava kutanga kufamba. Ndege yava kumira panhandare.
Guys, why don't we play Quasi Says?
Like Simon says, but with me saying.
Exactly! Every time Quasi says, Quasi anoti tanga, you start dancing. But when Quasi says, Quasi anoti mira, you have to stop. Got it? Good. Are you guys ready? Let's go, Quasi!
Yes! Quasi anoti tanga. Quasi anoti mira. Tanga.
Wait. Quasi didn't say Quasi anoti tanga.
Well done, you guys.
So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that tanga means start. We also learned that mira means stop. We also saw things around us that are starting and stopping. Can you remember the things that we saw starting? We saw a bike race starting. We also saw a train starting to leave the station.
Yes, we did. We also saw some things that were stopping. Do you remember the things that we saw stopping today? We saw a car stopping. We also saw an aeroplane stopping. We love discovering start and stop with you today. Why don't you look around today? What things can you find that are starting and stopping?
Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about straight and bent.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later!